Okay, continuing the journey, and we're going to set up a quiz. Again, my favorite way to do this is by going to course material, oopsie daisy, course builder. And in course builder, we already have our week 2 and it contains the discussion. Now I also want to put a quiz in there. The quiz looks like this. I'm going to grab it, drag it into the week 2, and I'm going to give it the quiz week 2 name. I do need to create a grade item again in order to have it connected to the grade book. So quiz grade week 2. Here it is. I'm going to create a gradebook category. This is something I only have to do once. Next time it will be on the pull-down menu. So I'm going to call that quizzes. And then however many points you give. For my weekly quizzes, I do 25 and each question is 1 point. You can also open it for a specific time and then close it for a specific time, but we're not going to worry about that here. So here we have the quiz week 2. I recommend you select this radio button here because it means that when the students are finished with it, it automatically goes to their gradebook and they see right away what it is. So go ahead and select those 2 here. Right now it's an inactive quiz, and just to make it easier, meaning that the students can do it, they can see it's there. But I'm going to make it active, and I hit create, and ta-da, there it is. So again, our canvas is starting to get filled up. Now this is not all we need to do. The next thing is we have to go back to our home page and have to look at the assessments. There are the quizzes, and it will list the quiz week 2 here. If you click on that, it will open up and just call it quizzes again. Save that. So see that the quiz is still empty. So once you have downloaded your test bank, go ahead and click on add and edit questions. And what you want to do now is you want to add a new section or random section. This is something I really like about D2L. It allows me to create boxes within the quiz. So for example, I could put one box there and call that true false questions, and put like 10 questions in there from the test bank, true false questions, and then I can tell it to give each student randomly selected 5 out of these 10. So I'm going to show you how to do this here. So I'm going to call this true false, save, and then I'm going to set up a new random section I'm going to call multiple choice, and I save this again. Now when I click on the true false section here, I import, and you will have questions to select from all this. I don't have anything in here yet. So go ahead and set that up, and then we'll continue with another test bank. So here we are again. We have our 2 random sections, and I click on the true false and I want to import questions. In the pull down menu I have the quizzes here from, it's a different topic, but that doesn't matter. So I click on the chapter 1 quiz, and it shows me lots and lots of true false questions, lots and lots of multiple choice questions. So what I do now is, because I am in my true false random section, I'm going to collect the true false questions that I like this, and I like this, and I like that, and I like these, and I then save that here. And what it will bring up is it will ask me how many of all these questions do I want to present to the student when they take the quiz. So I'm saying out of all of these, they're going to get 5 questions, and then I save this. Then there is a button here that says done editing questions. I select this, and boom, there they are, random questions. So this is a wonderful thing. I say save and close. Then I go to my then I have my other one. So if again I go to add edit questions, I select my multiple choice one. I again go to import to the chapter 1 quiz, and then they have lots of choices about multiple choice here, all the way down to, this is where LA, that means long answer, starts. I definitely don't want that because I would mess the students up. So out of all these, I might choose, let's say, 30 that I find best, and then again tell the computer here to select randomly 20, and then that gives for a total of 25 questions for each student. So I'm just going to just for the heck of it, I'm going to do this. I'm going to save this. I'm done editing questions. And yeah, oh boy, there we go. Let's save and close. And here is our week 2 quiz. Again, if you want to check on it, we're going to our home page. We can, oops, yeah, sorry, that's my different classroom. Yep, that's it. Try it out.